Good evening, everybody. 8 o'clock, earlier than what I thought. Both the 00 Zulus are done, so I can process things. Let's see. We are 8 o'clock, or just after 8 o'clock, Thursday, February 12th. Thanks for joining. This is going to be longer than a 3-minute video, I'll tell you that. Let's go. Let's run through the 5 days real quick, get those done and over with. 62 and then 56. So we're going to see a temperature difference, and I think the temperature difference isn't a frontal system. It's more we've got cloud cover and we've got rain. We'll be kind of socked in the morning Sunday, and then it'll clear out. But I don't think it'll clear out in time to make it to 60. The Weather Service Office, AccuWeather, and Met is all saying sunny that day. Sorry. We'll see. 60 on Monday, and then Tuesday 64 degrees. This is northeast Oklahoma, moving over to southwest Missouri. Yes, I added flashy things. I think the low pressure is going to cause enough instability for a few thunderstorms. Not widespread or anything like that. I mean, we'll see widespread rain, but thunderstorms are going to be hit and miss. Little chillier, just because you're farther north and you've been cooler the last couple days. Then it's going to take you a little more time to break into the 60s, but you'll get there. All right, let's go over the models, because that's all I have pulled up. All right, we're going to get a little technical. Here is the HRRR, just got done. I've got it pulled up for 5 p.m. tomorrow, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Range starting. I really anticipated this, but the NAM was not picking up on this at all. It was thinking just a mass amount of rains pushing in. We're going to see showers develop ahead of the main system. Maybe a cell with severe features. I'm not worried about tornadoes. I'm really not even worried about wind. I think we're going to see hail, just because you get to 3,500 feet, 3,700 feet, temperature drops off quickly. Easy hail producers. So, and we'll look at the helicities in a minute, which is hail detection. So we'll go from there. All right, so 9 p.m., we've got waves of thunderstorms moving through the area, or showers at least. 10 p.m., 11 p.m., midnight. So far, everybody is seeing moderate, maybe some heavy rain across the area. 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4, 5 a.m. Again, hey, we're all in the rain. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10, 11, and noon. We're still in the rain, guys. All right, moving on. 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and that's as far as the HRRR goes out right now. It's finally exiting the area, or at least the low pressure is exiting the area, but we've got the backside that's going to spin around. And if we play this, let's go back here and play this through here. You'll see a spin. I got to wait for it to reload there. But we'll see a spin on the backside. So the low pressure is moving through. The storms are going to follow it and push through. So we'll have another round of showers, probably 8 o'clock to midnight, Saturday night into Sunday morning. All right. This is the simulated radar with helicity, hail detection. All right. Notice this cell here is also picking up hail there. So initial stages, yes. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11. I mean, they're just hit and miss, but they're definitely there. So I would say definitely on-off thunderstorms across the area. A few with some hail. We'll just play this all the way through here because that just continues to load. So no widespread areas. It's just very hit and miss. The biggest one, of course, off I-35 over by Enid. All right. What everybody's been waiting on, the latest amounts of rain. Look at this. Really, along I-44. Isn't that crazy? So Oklahoma City, Tulsa, even up Joplin. I mean, McDonald County, Newton County. Is that as far as I can go? It is. We are, look at that, 4 inches of rain. 3 inches of rain. Tulsa area, 3 inches of rain. Um, 1, 2, Miami, 3, Joplin, 3. So there's definitely a sharp curve where it goes from heavy rain to very light rain. But we will definitely all see rain. And now look at this. Um, Arkansas has almost no rain. I want to look at clarity real quick. I don't have it loaded, so give me just a second. One of those, I wasn't ready for it. All right, actually, let's do this. All right, this is the next 24 hours from now, actually from 7. So we're already starting to see rain pick up. So that makes sense. 7 p.m. to 7 p.m. Actually, I'm sorry, 8 to 8. So we've already got rain showing up. Now let's expand that. And it's finally starting to pick up on what the HRRR and the NAM has been showing, where the heavy rain is kind of bullseyeing our area. It's really dropped off on central Arkansas. So with that, I really anticipate the Weather Prediction Center to update their forecast. Let me have that loaded up too. Sorry guys, I was not planning on doing that. I'm reading the data the same time you are. All right. Let's switch over. So they have not updated anything yet, but I don't anticipate that till tomorrow morning. They still have the standard um, rainfall outlook for tomorrow. Moving over to Saturday, no changes there. They still have Little or Central Arkansas as the hot spot, where Clarity is definitely repositioned that. So we'll see what the Weather Prediction Center does in the morning based off the new data. All right, like I said, this is definitely longer than a 3-minute video. All right, that is it for tonight. I will have all new information tomorrow morning, and we will see where we stand. Have a good night. We'll talk to you later.